Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about AWS Global Infrastructure. Computing resources for Amazon Cloud are hosted in multiple locations throughout the globe. These locations are composed of AWS regions, availability zones, and local zones. An AWS region is a separate and independent geographic area. Each AWS region has multiple isolated locations known as availability zones. There are at least 3 availability zones in an AWS region. An availability zone is comprised of one or more data centers. A local zone is an extension of an AWS region that is geographically close to the users. By using local zones, you can place resources such as compute and storage in multiple locations closer to your users. It is important to note that each AWS region is completely independent. An AWS region is designed to be isolated from the other AWS regions to achieve the greatest possible fault tolerance and stability. We will discuss more about each of these components of AWS Global Infrastructure in various topics in this section. Let us see a high-level infrastructural outline of an AWS region. As you remember, we already mentioned that an AWS region is designed and built independently from other AWS regions. This design ensures the greatest possible fault tolerance and stability. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the components of an AWS region, for example, availability zones and local zones, as well as how these components are connected. We recommend you read the diagram and have a clear understanding of an AWS region. In summary, AWS Global Infrastructure is the most secure, extensive, and reliable global cloud infrastructure for all your applications. Moreover, AWS Global Infrastructure offers you the most flexible cloud infrastructure in comparison to the other cloud providers. That's all about AWS Global Infrastructure. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.